Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rashid, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you that how you can hide and unhide the grid line in MS Excel sheet. So this is the sheet, and here you can see the grid line is already unchecked. And if you want to check the grid line, you just need to come in view, and from here you can make it check and your grid line will be here. So if you want to remove the grid line, you just need to uncheck it. Okay, if you want to remove the headings like A B C D and 1 2 3, you can uncheck it. It will be also gone. If this is the formula bar, if you want to remove that formula bar, if you want to hide that formula bar from here, you can check it, uncheck. Okay, and your formula bar will be gone. So this is the way by which you can hide and unhide the grid line, the heading and formula bar. So it will be very informative, and when you will making the advanced templates or different templates, it is very important, and this is the mandatory part of it will be the mandatory part of these advanced templates. So this is all for this tutorial, and one more thing, that is you just need to subscribe my channel www.youtube.com/c/my tutorial park. Okay, so my Facebook link is www.facebook.com/my tutorial. Okay, this is my Facebook page. So thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next one. Thank you.